The BIBD Frame is a popular modern landmark located near the Bandar Seri Begawan Waterfront. Shaped like a giant photo frame, it perfectly captures the city's skyline, including the Omar Ali Saifuddien Mosque in the background. The structure symbolizes Brunei's vision of progress, unity, and pride in its capital. It has become a favorite spot for photography and social gatherings. The BIBD frame represents the blend of creativity, culture, and contemporary identity in Brunei. The Yayasan Sultan Haji Hassanal Bolkiah complex is a major commercial and charitable development in the heart of Bandar Seri Begawan. It houses shopping arcades, offices, and restaurants while supporting social welfare initiatives under the Sultan's foundation. The complex offers a scenic view of the Omar Ali Saifuddien Mosque across the lagoon. It serves as both a shopping destination and a symbol of generosity and community support. The complex reflects Brunei's commitment to balancing modern development with social responsibility. Kianggeh market is one of Bandar Seri Begawan's oldest and most vibrant traditional markets. Located by the Kianggeh river, it offers fresh produce, local delicacies, seafood, and handmade crafts. It's a daily meeting place for locals and an attraction for tourists seeking traditional experiences. Kianggeh market remains a lively symbol of Brunei's culture, community, and everyday life.